Ragazzi, this is the best panettone ever! The panettone is a typical Italian cake for Christmas. Don't have Christmas if Italian don't eat panettone. For this, every year I try to prepare the best panettone ever. But this year is really my best panettone ever. I wanted to tell you my 3 secrets. Secret number 1. Homemade candy fruit. Secret number 2. Homemade flavor panettone. Secret number 3. You want to know? Watch until the end.
While people are still debating if panettone is a cake or a bread because of its chewy texture and fruity and sweet taste, 2 things are for sure. Making panettone takes much longer than bread and it needs raisins and candied fruit in it. Mom is making her own candied fruit with citric fruits. You need to carefully wash some oranges and lemons and then peel them. Put the peels in a container with water and leave them for at least an hour. Drain the peels and coarsely chop them. You should weigh the peels. This will be your reference weight for later to add the same weight of sugar and water. Put the peels in a saucepan. Cover them with water and let them boil until they become a little soft. Drain them well. Put the peels back in a pan, adding sugar and water at the same amount of the peels as weighed earlier. Now turn the burner on low heat and cook until all the liquid is absorbed. Once there is no more liquid in the pan, put the peels on a piece of parchment paper and scatter them. We leave them here to dry. And here are our beautiful candied peels, ready to be mixed into the panettone dough.
Now we start to make panettone flavor.
Of course, we are not going to throw away the oranges and lemons that we peeled. Nothing gets wasted in Tony's home. We are going to use them to enhance the flavor of the panettone dough, turning them into a sort of marmalade that you add in the dough. Make sure to remove any remaining peels. While cutting the lemons and oranges in big pieces, remove also the seeds. Put in a pan and add the same amount of sugar as the fruit and weight. Let it rest for 1 hour with no heat, just to give time to the sugar to be absorbed. Then simmer with a lid until what is left is just a mushy pulp. If you prefer having a finer texture of this paste, you can blend it. And here is our amazing panettone flavor booster. If you prepared extra, you can store it in the fridge in small jars ready for use.
Now the 3rd secret. Watch carefully.
If you think that the previous 2 tips were nothing special, okay, then this one is really useful. This tip will contribute to give the panettone an extra soft and stretchy texture without feeling like bread when you eat it. We put in a pan water, flour, and some of the flavored paste we just prepared. Add also almond paste. Mix well. Turn on the burner and cook on medium heat. Whisk continuously while the mix gets thicker and darker. You're done when this feels like a thick cream. For best results, you should let the cream rest in the fridge before using it.
Quello che abbiamo appena fatto è un roux. Io lo inserisco nello stesso momento in cui metto la pasta madre nell'impasto. A cosa serve? Serve per dare morbidezza e aroma al nostro panettone. Ed eccolo qui, eccola qui la nostra fetta. Guardate che bella. Guardate i canditi. Because it's Christmas, I want to become very good. For this, I decide to give 1 panettone for the first 3 people that write for me 1 comment below. If you like this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Italian recipes. Every day is a sunny day in Tony's home. Merry Christmas! Ah, infatti, finalmente. Aspettavo, non ce la facevo più.